So, this is week 2 of my trading journey. Before I get into this week's video, I will give a little recap of what happened last week. So last week I made 2 trades and I got a total profit of $378.
Nice.
So with that being said, let's get into the video. So in this trade, I decided to go long when I saw some sort of rejection, and I just didn't want to miss out on this trade, and I was very eager because it was the first trade after that very good 1 week. So I went long, and as soon as I went in that trade, as soon as I entered that trade, I was down about maybe $40-50. I don't really remember, but price did not do what I wanted it to do. I thought it was going to be a rejection and then a push forward, push upward, but it did not happen, and in the end it just hit my stop loss, and I was out of that trade with a loss of about $204. So price didn't do what I wanted it to do. I thought it was going to be a rejection and it pushed the upside, but it just shot down and hit my stop loss. But hopefully we can make some profits in the next trade. So in this trade, I saw this double bottom pattern and it was very close. I think it rejected off the support line that I drew. So I decided to enter this trade, and as soon as I entered, this trade was, I think, up about $100, $150, something like that, something crazy like that. So I just thought it was going to keep going up and keep going up. So I decided to hold that trade for a little bit, and then the next thing I know, the trade's just heading down. It's just coming down. So I got a little bit nervous. I thought it was going to go hit my stop loss because of the trade before. When I lost money in the trade before, I thought I was going to hit my stop loss. So I just decided to get out early, and that was kind of a mistake for me because eventually the price did shoot back up for like a crazy profit. But I mean, a profit is a profit. I closed this trade early and I think I made a profit of about $24. So in that trade, maybe I should have held a little bit longer because just a couple minutes later, the price shot back up and it kept going up to where my take profit was. But I mean, hey, it is what it is. This is trading. You're gonna have some losses. You're gonna have some wins. Some weeks are gonna be good. Some weeks are gonna be bad. But it is what it is. Let's just get on to the last trade. So in this trade, I'm just shocked that I did such a bad trade. So number one, it was a downtrend, right? And I just decided to buy at the lower low of the downtrend and hopefully get a move up to the lower high, which did happen, but I just didn't take profit. I just wanted it to go higher because I thought it would bounce off the support and then just go back to where it was before. But I decided to hold anyways, and then it just completely took me out. It hit my stop loss, and I think I was out of that trade with a loss of $233. So this week was very bad for me. Out of those 3 trades, I think 2 of them were actually okay. Just one of them was profitable, and I only got like $24 out of that one trade, which is not good at all. But if we're combining week 1 and week 2, I've lost about $35 in week 1 and week 2 combined. So hopefully next week I can get back up, get into more trades, and make some profits. And one thing I need to start actually doing and just sticking to it is having a proper strategy. I think if I find a proper strategy and have a proper strategy and just stick to it and trade that strategy, I think I will become profitable.